This easy broccoli pasta literally takes just 15 minutes to make, and it is so delicious, perfect for this cool weather when you're craving something hearty and comforting. I'm a pasta lover and this recipe is honestly one of my favorite. So let's start. First, cut your broccoli into florets and boil them for about 7 minutes just until they soften. In a pan, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once it melts, add in 2 cloves of garlic. Let that cook for about a minute. You don't want it to brown or cook all the way, we just want the flavor to release. Then add your boiled broccoli. Give that a good stir so it soaks up all the buttery garlic flavor. Now grab a potato masher or a fork and start mashing the broccoli. You can mash it as smooth as you like. I like to leave a bit of texture so it mixes nicely with the pasta but still has some bite. This step is going to take 1 to 2 minutes. Fan of broccoli, give this video a thumbs up. If you feel like your broccoli is a bit too dry, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter. This recipe depends on butter, salt and pepper, so I like to be generous with them. For the pasta that has already been cooked, I'm using half a pack of fettuccini, which is about 250 grams. You can use any shape that you like. Toss it right in with the broccoli and gently mix everything together. I use a spatula and a spaghetti spoon so I don't break the pasta. Just be gentle with it while you're mixing. By the way, if you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. I share 2 new recipes every week. Season with about half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. That's all you're going to need for the seasoning. How easy is that? Then to make it creamy, add about 2 tablespoons of cooking cream. If you would like a lighter option, just use a splash of pasta water instead, or you can also use milk if you want to. I'm just using 2 tablespoons, which is not much, so I'm fine with that. Let it simmer together for about a minute, and there you go. A cozy bowl of broccoli pasta in just a few minutes. You can keep it as is or make it your own, a sprinkle of Parmesan, a pinch of chili flakes, or even swapping the pasta shape. It all works. Make it today and thank me later. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out for you or what twist you added to make it your own. I'll be back soon with another easy recipe, so until then, enjoy your pasta. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.